The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7, anticipated for release in the summer of 2025, is expected to introduce several notable enhancements over its predecessor. Leaked renders suggest a larger cover display, approximately 4 inches, adopting an edge-to-edge design similar to the Motorola Razr Plus. The internal display may also see a slight increase to 6.8 inches, potentially with a less visible crease. Speculations indicate the device will feature a 50MP main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is rumored to house either the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Exynos 2500 chipset, paired with 12GB of RAM and storage options of 256GB or 512GB. Additionally, a larger 4,300 mAh battery is anticipated, addressing previous concerns about battery life. These improvements aim to enhance usability and performance, positioning the Galaxy Z Flip 7 as a strong contender in the foldable smartphone market.